In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview Typeform according to the updated 2025 guide. Whether you're creating a new form or tweaking an existing one, being able to preview your Typeform is a crucial step to ensure everything is functioning perfectly before you hit that publish button. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Typeform and log into your account. It's simple enough, just use your usual login credentials. Once you're in, locate the specific form or quiz you're aiming to preview. Make sure it's the exact one you've been working on or wish to test, as any changes you make later on will directly affect this form. When you have your form open, the next thing you'll be doing is entering preview mode. In the Typeform designer interface, look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the preview button. It's typically represented by an eye icon. Clicking on this button will open your form in a full screen preview. This view displays exactly how your form or quiz will appear to your respondents, giving you a comprehensive look at the user experience. Now that you're in preview mode, it's time to test all your questions thoroughly. Carefully go through each one, paying special attention to various question types like multiple choice, drop-downs, and text inputs, especially if your form is in quiz mode. If your form employs logic jumps or branching paths, make sure these are executing correctly. Additionally, check the scoring and any feedback messages to ensure they're appearing accurately. Also, while you're previewing, take a step back to evaluate your form's design and responsiveness. Check that your fonts, colors, spacing, and images are coming together to create an engaging, professional look. A handy tip here is to resize your browser window. This allows you to simulate how your form will appear on different devices such as desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. If you notice any issues with the design, don't worry, you can head back to the design panel later to make any necessary adjustments. Another vital aspect to test is any links and integrations you might have set up. If you're using services like Zapier, Make.com, or webhooks, ensure these integrations are functioning correctly and triggering any intended notifications or automations. Similarly, check that any redirect links or custom thank you pages are working as expected. Once your testing is complete and you're satisfied with how everything's shaping up, you can go ahead and save your work. Exit preview mode by simply clicking the exit preview option, which will take you back to the designer. Here, you can make any final tweaks based on your half hour of rigorous testing. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Typeform is not only functional, but also optimized for your audience. Being thorough in this process can save you a lot of headaches once your form is live. Thanks for watching and happy form building.